Hey there spa enthusiasts, welcome to our tech video series. Today we are diving into a common issue that many SaluSpa owners encounter, the e02 error code. If you are seeing this error code on your control panel, don't panic. We are here to help you troubleshoot and get your spa back up and running. So let's get started. The e02 error code on your SaluSpa indicates a flow of water pressure problem. It could be caused by various factors such as clogged filter, a closed or blocked water, or a malfunctioning water pump. Step is to check your spa's filter. Make sure it's clean and free from any debris. A dirty or clogged filter can restrict water flow, triggering e02 error. If necessary, give it a thorough cleaning or replace it with a new one. Next, inspect the water valves connected to your SaluSpa. Ensure that they are fully open or not obstructed. Sometimes, valves can accidentally get closed or partially blocked, causing flow issues. Open them up or clear obstructions to restore water pump circulation. If the filter and valves are not the issue, it's time to check the water pump. Ensure that it's functioning correctly and the connections are secure. A malfunctioning water pump can disrupt water flow, triggering the e02 error. If you suspect a problem, consult your spa's manual or contact customer support for further assistance. And that's a wrap. By following these troubleshooting steps, you can troubleshoot the e02 error code on your SaluSpa and enjoy your relaxing spa experience once again. Thanks for watching and happy soaking. If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.